Hello, I'm Lindsay Konzak, editor of Modern Distribution Management and MDM.com, and today I'm talking with Brent Grover on the topic of simplifying distributors' approach to big data. Brent says that distributor computer systems have so much data on their businesses that more and more tools are available to help distributors parse that data. But where should distributors start, and which parts of their businesses can a simpler approach to data produce big results? Brent will try to answer some of these questions today. Brent is a nationally recognized distribution industry consultant, speaker, and writer. He is the author of 8 books, including Strategic Pricing for Distributors and the MDM-published Little Black Book of Strategic Planning for Distributors. He founded Evergreen Consulting in 2001 to serve distributors. Welcome to the program, Brent.
Hi, Lindsay. Thanks for inviting me.
So, Brent, what's the problem or challenge that you see with the idea of big data?
Well, it's a compelling name, and that's, I guess, intended to catch people's attention. But I think the expression big data itself is a little intimidating, and maybe it strikes fear into the hearts of some distributors who are already overwhelmed with the data they have. We all hear about the drinking from a fire hose analogy, and I fear that a concept like big data becomes a tagline for people selling computers and software. And I'm all for computers and software, don't get me wrong, but I do think that if it's a bullying tactic to get people to spend money, wholesale distributors are notoriously pretty careful about spending their capital dollars. I hate to see people spending, wholesale distributors, clients of ours, friends of ours, spending money with the expectation that they're going to get a reward they're not going to get. So that's my problem with the big data challenge. The way I look at it, big data really means the data needs of an enterprise like Google or eBay or Amazon. Obviously, they handle unimaginable amounts of data in their businesses. And even if we break it down to the distribution level, thinking of big distributors in companies I admire, like W.W. Grainger or Fastenal, MSC Industrial, I don't mean to leave anybody out, but these are the multi-billion-dollar, highly complex distributors. I'm not even so sure that the label of big data applies in their world. And then to bring it home to the distributor that we typically work with in our business, a $50 million or $100 million or $250 million or a $500 million distributor, I don't think the data, the requirements that they face are that intimidating if they are willing to look at the data needs on a functional basis, and by that I mean the needs of the sales function of the business, the needs of the operations function of the business, the needs of the purchasing, the financial end of the business, the human resources end of the business. I think if we break it down into conveniently bite-sized pieces, we need not be concerned about big data in the sense that it's something we need to worry about. On the other hand, I think there's lots of things we can do with the data we do have.